Speak English with Kids 4.
Speak English with Kids 4.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Don't run inside.
Don't run inside.
Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
Don't spill your drink.
Don't spill your drink.
It's time for bath.
It's time for bath.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Don't argue.
Don't argue.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
It's snack time.
It's snack time.
Repeat follow me.
Repeat follow me.
Don't afraid of dog.
Don't afraid of dog.
Clean your hands.
Clean your hands.
Go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
Give me it, will you?
Give me it, will you?
I'm sweating.
I'm sweating.
Please remove your shirt.
Please remove your shirt.
Do you want more water?
Do you want more water?
Let's go park.
Let's go park.
Don't cry again.
Don't cry again.
Don't drop down your books.
Don't drop down your books.
Do it now.
Do it now.
Don't bite your nails.
Don't bite your nails.
Wipe your face.
Wipe your face.
Get dressed soon.
Get dressed soon.
Take these pills.
Take these pills.
What happened?
What happened?
Don't tell lies.
Don't tell lies.
Say goodbye, teacher.
Say goodbye, teacher.
How was your school today?
How was your school today?
Do you like chocolate?
Do you like chocolate?
Say sorry to him.
Say sorry to him.
Look at that tree.
Look at that tree. Thanks for watching.